right, who do we have here today?
Adrian.
Adrian, what are you doing today?
Going skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with total strangers?
Yes, yes.
Do you trust me to throw you out? We just met.
Partly.
Just a little bit, huh?
Just a little bit, yeah.
Was this your idea?
Yes.
Are we celebrating anything today?
No.
Just checking it off the list?
Actually, yeah. First time in the USA.
Okay, first time in the US. Well, welcome. We're going to throw you out of an airplane. Last words, final comments, confessions, in case we don't make it to your next birthday.
It was nice.
For me, it's always the same. Take the computer, the tablet, the phone. Please burn all of it. Buried in the desert. My wife can have everything else. Let's go rock a skydive and have some fun, my dude. Woo! Here we go! Woo! Are you ready, Adrian, to get in this thing? Get up, get out, go have some fun in the sky. Yeah! Let's go get a skydive. High five, bro. Here we go. Woohoo! What'd you think of that?
Amazing.
You had fun?
Yes.
Are you gonna do that again someday?
Yes.
Yeah? Next time you come back and ask me, you can open the parachute, you just gotta pull the golf ball.
Okay.
Great job. What was your favorite part?
Jumping out.
It was nice flipping with you, bro. Come back, see me again. Skydive, Colorado Springs. This could be you. Ha ha!